years, I was hesitant getting a waxing kit. In fact, I had this exact waxing kit in my Amazon shopping cart for a very, very long time before I finally decided I'm just going to do it, and I'm so glad I did. Hey, it's Ricky here to do an honest review of this waxing kit. I was so hesitant when it came to waxing. I had never gotten waxed. I had never waxed myself, but I really wanted something that was going to make it so much simpler, especially in the summertime, to just do it, and I'm so glad I did. This waxing kit has everything you need to wax, and this is a 7-month update, so I can tell you that this is well loved, and this is lasted. One of the nice things about the wax for this kit is that you can buy the same exact kind of wax refills for your wax. In fact, I do need to get a refill of my wax, so I will show you the wax I have right now on hand and how this works. So I went ahead and plugged it in to get it preheated. Now this dial makes it very easy to adjust to the temperature that you want. In the beginning, it was kind of trial and error trying to figure out what to do, but it comes with an instruction manual, which kind of gives you an idea of what you should do. Me personally, and this should just be person by person, test and see what works for you, but for me personally, I like to set the dial initially. Oh, let's see if you can see it. Set the dial initially 15 to get it going. When this is green, that means this bowl is heated at 215 and it will get that wax melted. I heat it up at about 215, and then once you can visibly see that it's easy to spread around, then I will lower it back down, or when it's green, then I will lower it back down to about 165, 160 even, maybe close to that, because that's the temperature I feel comfortable. It is not at that temperature yet, so we are going to sit and let it get to that temperature, and I will show you what it's like. I will set it to that 215 setting, walk away for maybe 10 minutes or so, come back, check it. Once it's where I think it's pretty melted, then I lower the temperature, give it another, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes maybe, and come back, and then I'm ready to wax. While that's heating up, let me show you what this comes with. They're 3.5 ounce bags, and you will get a variety of types for this, and I wish I had all of them still, but I have used this so much that I ran out, and so I need to order more. But to give you an idea, you will get bags like this, and it will tell you what these waxes are. Also for coarse hair, for all over hair. I typically get the blue beads, the blue waxing beads I get is for the bikini area, but I use it for my arms and like a bikini wax type style. But this is what I have on hand just to give you an idea. Pre-wax oil, so you spray this on the area you are going to wax before you wax, and then afterwards, post-wax oil, it hydrates your skin for afterwards. So you get these along with it. They also come with a variety of stick sizes, this size and this size, so you can do like eyebrows or smaller areas with this. Instead, it comes with everything you could possibly need to start waxing immediately. About once a month, and that is all I really need it for, which is great. I want to add a disclaimer for myself. I do not use this on my legs. I have tried to use it on my legs, and for some reason, maybe my hair just isn't like coarse enough or something on my legs, but I couldn't get it to work. I had tried letting my leg hair grow out. I tried all the things, and for my legs, it doesn't work, but that's okay, because I'm not really worried about using this for my legs. I don't mind shaving my legs, but I use it for everything else. So I will show you how I use this on myself. I'm ready to get vulnerable with you guys here. Like this, let it cool off for a second, and then you go with the direction that your hair typically grows, and then you're going to pull at the opposite direction that your hair typically grows. I don't know, 20-30 seconds, and then I feel it. When it doesn't feel sticky, that means it's ready to be pulled off. Skin as tight and like stretched as you possibly can. Just rip it off. Just like that. Works really well. You throw that piece away, and then you just keep going until that hair is gone. Wax out of the bowl. It makes it very, very simple. You can just pull this rubber silicone type liner out of the bowl, and I do it, of course, when it's off and cooled off, so you can see that my wax is cooled off right now, and you can just very easily pull it right out. But I can just easily pull off these side pieces. Don't forget, you can buy more wax, the same exact kind of wax, through this Amazon store. I will also link it in this video. If this is your first time, or if you're a beginner or a professional, this wax kit is excellent. If you've been on the fence about getting it, don't be, because I highly recommend it.